Okay, this is how to do your own snake line without an auger machine. I'm using a 1/2-inch line. Buy it at the Home Depot right here. What I've done, I've already done the whole labor. I just want to try to show you guys how you can do it yourself and unclog an outside drain from your outside clean out. Yeah, I removed the cap, and they sell these little augers with this little funky looking handle right here. It's like 28 bucks at the any hardware store, the big hardware outlet stores. And what I've done is I pushed this down as far off in that line. As you see, it'll run all the way out. I don't have a machine. It'll come back around. What I did is that right here at the end of this line, I used some all thread. I put the all thread in the end of it, put the all thread into the end of the drill, and as I sit right here on this comfortable tarp here, I just used the drill right there, screwed it, just put the drill on it slow as I fed it off into the line. Now that little handle right there, that handle needs to be at the end of the drill so it'll be out of your way, and it just sits there and agitates the line, shakes it and shimmies it. But the rest of that line runs all the way out and comes all the way back without a machine. Now keep in mind, you're having to push your hand on it and try to push it down into the drain right there. And you keep feeding it and push the other hand, your free hand will be over there using the drill, governing the drill at high and low speeds. I hit a knot, and this is like toward the house. There's the house right there. And as I pushed it on through there, it got to the end, and this is what I have right here. A whole bunch of roots. That's the third time I had to pull this line out and go back in. I did it 3 times, and that's what was left on the end after the third time. Both 2 times I had a bunch of it on there just as well. So hope this helps you guys out. I unclogged my drain for the price of this auger. I already had a drill, and now I'll get me some root killer. And I thought it was something else. I'm gonna put some root killer off in there because I have no trees in my yard. I used to have a tree, and I imagine this used to be tree right here was the problem. It went up in there and sought out some roots to my house, and that's pretty much it. Hope it helps you out, saves you some money. Thanks for watching.